a non-profit organization for the common goal to build a strong camaraderie and to initiate charitable works to Filipinos abroad and in the Philippines, with members who speak mostly Ilocano and Ilocanos by blood. Formed in 2012 by the founding advisors in Tokyo, Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, an organization that come together as one to effect change and make a difference to people's lives. One dream, one Ilocano family. Timpuyog Ilocano, in cooperation with Kawasaki International Center, Samahang Filipino, and Ask Phil Jap presents Himig at Musika Acoustic Concert, a charitable concert for the educational support for the children from the highlands of northern Philippines.